Before I begin, I want to draw your attention to the fact that I renamed my path sketch path, my profile sketch profile, and the cut extrude for the keyway keyway. And my body is still hidden. How can I make it show up? Well, I can right click on revolve and click show, and it shows my whole thing. So now I think I'm ready to do the cut sweep. So I'll go up to swept cut. It's in the features tab of the command manager. I'll select my profile, which is this trapezoidal looking thing, and I'll select my path. I get a preview of what this is going to look like. It's at an angle, which is going to help it be driven by the worm, the offset shaft gear, and the angle that it's at is completely perpendicular to the profile. So I can confirm this, and I'm going to hide the profile plane because I don't need it anymore. And I'll add a fillet to these two edges here, and it's going to be a size of 0.015. I'm adding these fillets here, and only these fillets, because these are the only fillets that I can pattern. So I'll confirm and then do a circular pattern. My axis, I'll choose this face because it's a face that I'm pretty sure is not going to change, and it shares the same axis that I desire for my pattern. And I'll have 22 instances. But I not only want to pattern the fillet, I want to pattern the cut sweep. So I'll select that as well and get a full preview of what this is going to look like. Now I do still have some more fillets to add, and here's the point where it becomes clear why I did a separate feature for this cut here. Why did I do that? It doesn't make any sense, right? Why would I specify a diameter of 2 knowing that I actually want a diameter of 1.7? Well, let's make some sense of it. I'll go to fillet. I'll use the same fillet radii. Now in the feature manager design tree flyout to the right, instead of choosing edges, I'm going to choose the groove feature that I made. And this is because these edges right here aren't created until I do the pattern. Therefore, I have to select all of these edges on my own. Now, the autonomous feature can get quite a few of them, but it doesn't get them all. It would still end with me clicking on like 20 different edges independently, which sounds highly annoying, right? So instead of doing that, I decided to do this groove cut here. I decided to do this so that there's a completely separate feature that will contain the edges and the arc that I want. So now I can go to fillet, and for the items to fillet from the feature manager design tree flyout, I can select the groove feature, and with just one click I get everything that I want to fillet all around the worm gear. I get everything that I want to fillet. And it takes a while to load because that's a lot of fillets that the program is processing. And I just have one more fillet of 31 thousandths, 0.031, and I'll select this interface here and the opposing interface as well. and I selected the face to speed things up a bit. And then I specified my material as, I believe it's AISI 1020, and I can check my mass through mass properties. Should be 0.328019.